morning. The night was a bit chilly, but I did sleep, and I slept till like 7:30. The birds are quite loud here again. They did quiet down in the evening, but as soon as it starts getting light, they will start singing again. So there was this constant noise around me, and I thought for a moment that maybe I should go to like further west and visit one of the islands that I've never been on, Vormsi Island, but I connected to the internet and checked that there are only 2 ferries going there today, and one of them is already going in 2 hours. I won't make it. No, 2 hours because it's almost 8. I woke up at 7:30, so I've been, getting up half an hour. And I still need to pack the tent and everything. So I won't make it to the harbor in 2 hours based on the riding speed I got out of the bike yesterday. So that won't happen, and I'll just have to take out the map and see what else interesting is in the area, and probably just start navigating back home through more interesting roads or interesting sites. But yes, the test ride continues, at least today, and we'll see how far we will get. I'm actually counting on getting back home with this bike without assistance from other vehicles.
Okay, wish me luck. Come on. My glasses are foggy now. But we are off. Whew. And here's the lovely cobblestone road again. And the tent is escaping again. At the next stop I need to reassess the attachment. Oh yes, where are we going? Well, I looked at the map and there aren't many interesting sites around, but I did find a mansion, so let's go and see what we can see around that. I know we won't get in, but we will be able to observe the surroundings at least, unless the gates are closed, in which case we will only observe the gate. There's the sign. So down this road somewhere is the mansion. That looks like another sign. Let's see, yes. Vihterpalu mõis. So, Vihterpalu mansion, 100 meters. Are you timing how long it takes to ride 100 meters? I'm at full speed too. That's not the mansion. So that there. And the gate is closed. It looks like that. Well, no matter. Hold on. This can't be the main entrance. It's not mowed or anything. Well, no matter. I'll take a picture and look where I could head next. Right, now that I caught my breath a little bit, I figure we'll go to Harju-Risti church. We drove past yesterday, but right now we have way more time, so why not stop there and take a closer look. There you can see the tower. We have made it. Oh, bicycle parking. I think mine qualifies as a bicycle enough for this. If I can only get the wheel in. It fits. It fits.
This church was built late 13th, early 14th century, and there's a legend associated with it that it was actually supposed to be in a different place, and they already started the construction, but devil found out and kept pulling apart everything that was built. So every night it came and pulled everything apart that was built that day, and people still kept building, and that angered the devil so much that it pulled everything apart and pulled all the underground parts out. And then there was a big ritual with white calves and stuff, how a new place was chosen for the church. It sounds a little bit like superstitious traditions or rituals, but that's the legend.
Several attempts to start again. Seems to be running now. I just need to open the air holes. Okay. Lights are on. Whew. I really need to do more of this bicycle thingy in a gym. The seating position is set so that I can put my foot down if I have to stop somewhere, but that means it's not the best for pedaling because I can't fully extend my legs and it's a bit difficult to pedal like that. I mean, it's possible, but it's more difficult than it should be. Then again, I don't want to put the seat higher because then if I have to stop somewhere, I'll have to like get off the seat every time. And again, with the fuel tank and everything in the way, that's not the most convenient thing to do. So sacrifice the pedaling because most of the time it's supposed to run the engine anyway. Oh, look at that mansion there. I think we should stop and see.
Vasalemma mansion was built sometime in the 19th century, although there have been mansions in this area or in this place before, just different constructions, and it has changed hands several times. If I understand Wikipedia correctly, then this specific building was built by a Norwegian family who was into beer manufacturing.
So this is it for this one. Thanks for watching, and be alert on what might come next with this little bike.